guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kezia. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about Jessie's selection. This company is totally new to me. I don't want you guys to sleep on them because they have beautiful hair. Today's wig is glueless and it's a really simple install. I know a lot of us struggle with applying wigs. I struggle sometimes. This wig today is a super easy install and it's beginner friendly. If you don't know how to put on a wig, don't worry, I got you. How cute is the packaging? And then it comes with this little baggie inside. It's super cute. I'm a sucker for good packaging. So I have a 5x5 closure wig, and this is in the Brazilian texture. It's 20 inches. As you guys can see, 20 inches is hitting me right here. 180 density is going for $224. Now, what you get for $224 is a wig that is totally glueless. As you guys saw in the installation portion, I just wanted to go for a simple method because once I put this wig on my head, I knew that she was going to be comfortable. It has combs on the side, so it's nice because you do have a deeper lace space. As you guys can see, the lace is right here on me. Did not do any plucking on this unit. This is how this wig came. This hair is so soft. It's definitely up there with some of the best quality hair that I've received. The body wave texture, this one here in particular, doesn't want to hold a curl as much, but I did straighten the hair before I put the waves into it. And sometimes when you straighten hair, obviously it's been like pressed out. When you try to go in with a curler, it doesn't really want to do that. That might be the case. It is still soft nonetheless. Like, I would definitely wear this hair straight as well because she's gorgeous. So today we went for just like some loose curls. But I think I want to show you guys how it looks straightened because she's gorgeous. And I think she will straighten even though we just put curls in her, because she's that bomb. Okay, so that is a piece of it straightened, you guys. So you can wear this hair straight, as you guys can see. This is the natural luster of the hair. The only product I put in the hair was some wax stick on the flyaways, but the flyaways were very minimal. I wish I had this wig in a longer length because I love me some 26 inches, 28 inches. I would have loved it more. But for an everyday wig, just running around the house and running some errands, I will definitely be getting a lot of wear out of this wig. I kind of know if the hair is going to be good quality or not, and usually I can tell right away. And as soon as I took this hair out of the package, I was so surprised at how soft it was. I don't know why I didn't hear about this company sooner. That's the part about my job that I love, that I'm able to find all these companies and try them out. And a lot of companies that I've worked with have beautiful hair, but some of them stand out more so than others. And I would put this one in the category of exceptional hair quality. This wig that they sent me is just beautiful, top quality. I would definitely say this hair is Kaviar Kez approved. So if you're wanting some good body wave hair or straight hair, or body wave hair that you can wear straight and straighten so easily after being curled, this is it. This is that hair that if you're going out on the weekend and you want to do something big and fun, you curl the hair, but then when you get home and you're ready for Monday but you're too lazy to wash the wig, you can flat iron it out. Check it out for yourself. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely do so. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.